Hey guys, Fix Alex here. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace air filter on this 2020 Chevy Equinox. And that's the only tools that we're gonna need. Phillips head screwdriver to remove 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remove those 4 screws. Remove your MAF sensor connector. Very simple. Just pull the red piece to top and press and remove. And that's it, guys. That's how you can get access to your air filter. Very simple procedure. Don't forget to change your filter often. This car has only 20k miles, but filter never been changed. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and record what else should I record next about this car. Thank you. Bye.